The gynecologist swore to the patient that she had advanced cancer, and unless she had a hysterectomy immediately, there was a good chance she would die and leave her child motherless. Would you like to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable story. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. The patient wound up having a number of tests, and the doctor told her that the tests showed that she had advanced cancer and needed to have a hysterectomy immediately. The patient said, "Can I get a second opinion?" The doctor told her, "Listen, if you take the time to get a second opinion, the cancer will spread and you will likely die much sooner than you would if we took it out immediately." And when I say immediately, the doctor told her within days she needed to have the surgery. So what does she do? She trusts the doctor. She's been going to him for a number of years and says, "Okay, let's go. I don't want to die an early death." And this was a young woman, by the way, in her late 20s. Now, she goes ahead and has the surgery. And it wasn't until after the surgery, and she goes back for the follow-up to her gynecologist, that the doctor tells her, well, there was a little problem. What do you mean there was a problem? Well, the pathology reports of the tissue that we removed indicate that you didn't exactly have cancer. What do you mean I didn't have cancer? If I didn't have cancer, are you telling me that I wouldn't have needed to have my hysterectomy? That's correct. So now I can't have children because you took out my uterus? Because you told me I had cancer when in fact I didn't? That's exactly right. Now, what was amazing is that when we went back to look at the original records, it turns out that the doctor failed to properly and timely interpret the test results. And if he had done that, he never, ever would have recommended that this patient undergo a hysterectomy to remove this patient's uterus. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding to what happened to this one particular person, where the doctor failed to properly read and interpret the test results. It was a clear violation from the standard of care. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.